Welcome everyone to the first ever Beer Money vlog. We're getting ready to leave Beer Money headquarters right now. We got everything ready to go. We are heading to the Kentucky Invitational 2024. This will be Kenzie and I's first ever experience down here in Kentucky. We've never gone to this pull and we're just excited. We're gonna have a great time. We're gonna vlog the entire experience for you guys. So we're gonna kick back, relax, enjoy the show, and we'll see you guys in Kentucky. Kenzie, we made it. We made it to Steak and Shake.
Lunchtime.
Let's go get some grub. Well, we made our first stop.
For lunch.
We're at Steak and Shake. We're gonna do a little haul, and we want to bring you guys on the best Beer Money experience that we possibly can. And the one thing that we love to do is stop for good, really good food. We got fries and onion rings
that you probably just spilled,
and an awesome steak burger. We'll see how good it is. We're gonna give it a go, and we'll be on our way to Lexington, Kentucky.
I got a cheeseburger too, but
yeah,
it's coming.
Kenzie got a cheeseburger.
Right here.
We're gonna get back on the road. We have what? We have 2 hours and 42 minutes until we get to Lexington. Stay number one. It's our travel day. We always try to give ourselves enough time to get down to an event so that way we can get ready and get the best content possible for you guys. So without further ado, let's get back on the road. We got our grub, and we'll see you guys in Lexington. Well, as you guys can see, we made it to our hotel in Lexington. Well, it's technically what, Georgetown?
Yeah, something like that. I'm here.
Kenzie's trying to peek in. We made it.
We made it.
So, after all that good food, we're gonna head over now to Chick-fil-A and get some more food because it's supper time. Come back, plug in the camera stuff, get ready for tomorrow, and we'll start day 2 of the trip. And you guys are gonna love it. It's just gonna be an awesome time tomorrow, and there's gonna be a lot of action going on. First day is always a little bit boring, but tomorrow the action begins. So we'll see you guys tomorrow morning at the arena. Well, it's the first day of pulling. We made it to the arena. Kenzie is working on posting some videos right now. I am downloading a video. We are at the arena. I went out into the pits, got some awesome videos for you guys. I'm working on getting them uploaded right now, which you guys will see when this vlog comes out. We're gonna add some awesome shots into this. It's gonna be an awesome experience. We're at the arena. We'll roll the time lapse here in just a few seconds, and we'll show you guys around the arena. They're moving vehicles in right now. Let's get to the action. Alright, so we just wrapped up night number 1. Kenzie, how was it?
It was a great show.
Was it?
Oh yeah, would recommend.
Awesome show. We're gonna roll some highlights here in just a couple seconds after this clip, but hopefully you guys are enjoying this vlog. We're trying something different. Hopefully you guys will enjoy it. We had a lot of fun tonight, a lot of action for day number 1 and day number 2. coming tomorrow. We'll meet you guys back at the hotel while we're gonna edit up some videos. But first, let's roll tonight's epic clips. Alright, so we just got out of the hotel. We're waiting for the car to warm up. Kenzie, where are we going?
Raising Cane's.
Kenzie has never had Raisins Cane's before. I've had it a couple times, and she's gonna go try some Raisin Cane's. We're gonna head over to the arena and get to the pull-in action. A lot of cool stuff. Last night we had a truck blow up. What do you think happened, Kenzie?
Fuel line came open.
Fuel line? So, big fuel line. As you guys seen that in the clips, we showed that. But we're gonna head over to Raising Cane's, get some grub, head over to the track, and we'll see you there. Can I get 2 of the 3 chicken finger combos?
Alright, it's gonna be 1978. Second window, please, and thank you.
Thank you.
How do you think it's gonna taste?
I hope good. I'm excited for the bread.
Package
Bag
received.
secured.
Yes. You gonna try the bread? Tell me what you think. It's really good stuff.
Very good.
The first step to taking down a camera.
Is unplug the controller.
Yes.
Step number 2, unplug the mic.
Gotta have
Unplugged.
good audio.
Yeah, no one wants to hear a crappy video.
Audio is the most important thing, you know that, right?
Yes.
Of course. How would you rate the show tonight?
10 out of 10.
It was.
Yeah, it was. Like Limited Supers, they went for a ride, but they put on a show.
We got some awesome shots to show you guys. Tomorrow is the last day. Finals tomorrow.
Yes, sir. 11 a.m. Eastern Time, start time.
So we had a really great show. It was awesome and action-packed. We're going to show you guys some of those clips in a little bit. We're packing up, getting ready to head back to the hotel. Tomorrow is finals. It's going to be an awesome day, and everybody's going to be turning up the wick for the finals. So we'll see you guys tomorrow. Enjoy these awesome clips, and we'll see you tomorrow morning at the hotel. Well, we made it back to Wisconsin. We had an awesome trip down to Lexington, Kentucky, and it was just the best experience ever. An awesome show. They put on a heck of a show down there. Great crowd on Saturday. We ended up not vlogging Saturday because we had 2 sessions, and it just turned out to be a very long day. So we had a great time down there. TNT, hats off to you guys. You guys put on an excellent show. We'll definitely be back down there again. I mean, awesome show, lots of horsepower, great classes, and it was just an all-around great show. So with that being said, we're gonna go ahead and roll Saturday's clips and throw in some Orange Blossom Special. That truck was absolutely awesome to watch. So thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.